Hi everybody, still in the Nongkhai area. Come to this waterfall now to have a look here. We'll go and have a look around. I'll turn the video around, you can see it. Oh, got my iced tea. It's very hot today. Drink me iced tea. But this is where we are. We're going to go down here now, have a look at the waterfall. That's the main road. It leads up to a temple up the top there. We're going to come down here. Toilets there when you first come in. And we've got the waterfall here. Right, we're coming out to this waterfall. There's a lot of people here, down here today. Families having a picnic down there. I don't know what these people there, these are all in the water. Some have got little helmets on, so they must be doing canoeing or something. Go and have a look. Nice waterfall this is. Goes down a long way, right down the bottom here. Very deep drop down into the Mekong River. I don't know if I can get over that other side at the moment. I'd have to take all my shoes and everything off, so I'm not going to go over. Stop this side. They've got all their Chang beer. Swaddy Cup, sir! How are you? Very well. Everybody very happy? Happy. What are you doing here? Nam.
Yeah,
Swimming. Oh, come on then, in the water.
Mao.
Oh, he went in the water. Ah, get the music.
Mao. Hello, Mao.
People dancing in the water as well with this music. It'd be nice to get over the other side there. Can't be bothered to take my shoes and socks off at the moment. They should make like a bridge over there really for people to walk over. What do you got? Okay, good. Sorry, Cup. If you want to get over the other side, you have to go onto these rocks over here. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, I could get over. I just go where that man is there. A little bit of water, not much over there. I'm going to go over the other side. No, I've decided not to go over. In the middle there is very slippery. The rocks are very slippery, and don't want to slip over. So I'll just do the video from here, going all the way down. Right folks, only a small little video again. This is a nice little waterfall. I'll stop on this side for a minute, and everybody seems to be enjoying themselves. So I'll see you on the next video. Take care, be safe, see you soon. Please subscribe. See you folks, take care.